kitchen and the hardware in particular. When we did this kitchen renovation, this cabinetry was already here. And it was a cherry stained cabinet with a brownish colored granite countertop. And I decided that because it was going to be on the same wall as these white cabinets, that it really wouldn't blend very well. So we decided to paint it white, and we used the black countertop again with the backsplash, which these are the only two walls that have a backsplash in my kitchen, and I chose to do a simple white basket weave tile that just gives it a nice crisp clean look. The cabinetry in this room, I had the dark hardware on, and I had the dark finished faucet coming out of the wall, which I really wanted to keep. So I decided that because this was a step down and in a different room, I would keep the dark metal finishes in here. And I really like that it's just a little bit different than the rest of my kitchen, which has polished nickel finishes for the hardware.